Hi guys, it's Gareth from Silent Push, and today I'd like to show you how to use our free community edition to get an instant list of all SOA records associated with a given domain. So for anyone who isn't familiar with them, SOA records, or Start of Authority records, provide information about a DNS zone, including the name servers responsible for the zone, the contact information for the zone administrator, the refresh, retry, expire, and TTL values. That information is then used to track the movement of malicious traffic, identify compromised hosts, and correlate threat intel data. So we're going to log into Silent Push Community Edition. Then we're going to go to Explore DNS Data, Explore Indicator DNS Data. We're going to choose the SOA record query. And for this demonstration, we're going to use a known malicious domain, 0i.pm, which was involved in the Raspberry Robin QNAP campaign. So look up passive DNS. And here we have the results. So 109 SOA records for 0i.pm. You can arrange these however you like, by first seen, last seen. We've got the SOA hash for each record there, and we've got the contents of the record in the answer field. Silent Push enterprise users can monitor this query for any changes. Community users can also view the raw data by going to basic raw data. You have all the results there, and you can copy the raw data to the clipboard. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please email info@silentpush.com with any queries, and don't forget to visit our knowledge base at help.silentpush.com. Thanks very much. Take care.